So just for a little bit of fun, we're going to learn a song with some sign language, some British Sign Language. Please forgive me, I put this together myself with my basic knowledge of sign language. And it's to a wonderful song called Listen by Red Grammar. He's an incredible artist, and you should check out his son Handy Grammar too. They're really great. Basically, it's got a few simple moves. It's not that difficult to learn, and I'd like you to do it and maybe even get your adults involved. So the words are listen, so we can all do that action, listen. Can you hear the sound? Okay, so that's the starting point for every verse. So the first one goes, listen, can you hear the sound? Take your fingers like this. Hearts beating. All, so your hand all, and grab your pinkies, the world around. So all the world around. Okay? Then down in the valley, so you're making like a valley between two mountains. Out on the plain, everywhere around the world, the heartbeat sounds the same. So let's try the chorus now. So the chorus goes black, so take your hand like a fist, black or white, so your hand like this, going out. Black or white, red, so your lip here, red or tan. It's the heart of the family, this is family, so family of man, man as in humankind, man. And then we go whoa, so you take your forearm, take your hand, whoa, beating away. So you brush your forearm, whoa, beating away, whoa, beating away. Okay, next part. Listen. Can you hear the sound? And the next part is laughter. So take your hand, cup your hand. Can you see? Laughter. All the world around. Okay, now this one says high in the mountains. So high in the mountains, and then down by the sea. Down by the sea, like a river going down to the sea. Everywhere around the world, laughter sounds the same to me. And then back to the same part, brush your forearm, whoa, laughing away. Whoa, laughing away. Whoa, laughing away. And then there's a little bit in the middle, a bit of fun. You go ooh la 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 la. So you just need to make an O with your hands. Ooh la 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 la. And then the next part is about singing. So listen. Can you hear the sound? And then singing. So we take two fingers. Singing. So we might go down to one. I like to go down to one. Two fingers. Singing. All the world around. Okay, for this one, it says walking through the jungle or a busy city street. So take your hand flat, take two fingers like you're walking. Walking, so walking through the jungle, like lots of trees, jungle, and busy. You take this hand, take the other one, and you want to go like this over the top. So walking through the jungle on a busy city street, like a building, street. So walking through the jungle on a busy city street. Everywhere around the world, singing always sounds so sweet. And then again, whoa, singing away. Okay, I will do the actions to the song. I would like you to do the actions to the song, video it, and send me your submission.
Listen, can you hear the sound of hearts beating all the world around? Down in the valley, out on the plain, everywhere around the world, the heartbeat sounds the same. Black or white, red or tan, it's the heart of the family of man. Can you hear the sound of laughter? All the world around, high in the mountains, down by the sea. Everywhere around the world, laughter sounds the same to me. Black or white, red or tan, it's the sound of the family of man. Whoa, we're laughing away. Whoa, we're laughing away. Whoa, we're laughing away. Ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la, ooh la 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 la. Listen, can you hear the sound of singing? All the world around, walking through the jungle or on a busy city street. Everywhere around the world, singing always sounds so sweet. Black or white, red or tan, it's the sound of the